Great businesses have some great gross margins. True words. In 2025, you could start a business with zero inventory, almost no startup costs, and scale to 6 or even 7 figures. Yep, this is because of the magic of AI, and I am not ready to gatekeep this from you. Here is the list of 8 high-income businesses to start this year. Number 8, personal brand agency, but with a twist. Attention is the new oil. We live in a time where people don't just buy products anymore, they buy people. I love this quote that said, "Everyone loves to talk about themselves. Sadly, not everyone gets paid to do the same." Everyone wants to be a brand more than a human, which is why starting a personal brand agency is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Look at Iman Gadzi. The guy literally built an empire helping creators become brands. Or Jade Dharmawangsa, who took her own personal brand from zero to hero, then helped others do the same.
So listen, there is a reason why they say that making your first million is the hardest. And after that, every other million becomes that much easier. And I can tell you this from firsthand experience. I made my first $1 million at the age of 18 and have multiplied it every single year since then.
Now here's a pro tip. Though everyone wants to be a brand, let's be real, not everyone has the money to splurge on an agency to build it for them. So instead of serving anyone and everyone, serve those who can actually afford your services. The easiest way to do this is by trying to build brands for founders and startups, who, of course, have the money and capital to actually invest in their personal branding. Influencers are also a great pick because most of them really excel only on one platform and suck at growing their platform on others. This is where you come in and charge them for helping them grow their empire. Even brands need an extra push with brand building, and if you're someone who believes that you can bring out the best in people with a little bit of Photoshop and ChatGPT, then congratulations. Once you have a set list of customers who are happy with your services, ask them, "Hey, know anyone else who needs this?" That's how you build VWong, aka viral word of mouth growth. Like Gary Vee says, every company is a media company now, and you're going to be the one helping them look camera ready. Number 7, chat sales agency. Cold emails are so 2018. In 2025, sales happen in the DMs. Yep, I'm talking about building a chat sales agency where you slide into DMs, not to Netflix and chill, but to actually close high-ticket deals like a boss. You'll just help the brands and influencers sell their products through direct messages on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or wherever their audience hangs out. You'll be handling the conversation and closing the deal, all while the creator focuses on looking fabulous and making content. Closers are making $5,000 to $30,000 a month. Just check out people like Cole Gordon or the folks from Remote Closers Academy. These guys have built entire careers around helping creators and companies sell through conversations. But for this, first you gotta find a growing industry. You wanna sell where the money's flowing. Try solar energy, which is up 18% this year, or roofing, which is up 12%. These industries are booming and desperate for help closing sales online. Next, you have to tap into audiences without sales teams. These are creators with millions of followers who have no idea how to monetize. Why is this even happening though? Because they're not replying to DMs, not making offers, and definitely leaving money on the table. You swoop in, offer to close for them, and take a cut. The last thing you have to do is to plug into the CRM. You can't manage 300 conversations on your phone alone. Use tools like Go High Level or Close.com to keep everything smooth, organized, and trackable. Trust me, if you want to scale, this part is non-negotiable. As the wise Alex Hormozi said, if you're not talking to your audience, someone else is closing your sales.
But way you communicate, you're learning how to teach, how to entertain, how to present, you're learning how to speak, and you're also...
Number 6, virtual assistant placement. Businesses want talent, but they don't have time to scroll through 100 resumes or train someone from scratch, so they'll happily pay you to find and deliver the perfect VA. According to Forbes, virtual assistant demand has grown by 41% year over year. Your job is to build a network of reliable, trained, remote VAs from customer support champs to social media managers, executive assistants, you name it. Then you partner with business coaches and content creators who are drowning in work and desperate for help. You swoop in, place the right VA, and collect your fee. Some folks are making $500 to $1,000 per VA placement. You get paid only on successful delivery. Don't charge up front. Make it risk-free for the client. You only get paid when you place someone they actually hire. It builds trust, and people love it. Stand behind your picks. Offer a free replacement if it doesn't work out in 30 days. Clients feel safe, and you come off as a total pro. Do a great job once, and people will talk. Ask for testimonials and encourage referrals. It's the cheapest, most effective marketing you'll ever do. Number 5, ghostwriting agency. Everyone wants a book, but almost no one actually wants to sit down and write 50,000 words. And ironically enough, with ChatGPT committing words with no sense, the demand for real human-written content has skyrocketed. That's where the ghostwriting agency comes in. Ever heard of David Goggins? Yep, the toughest nails ultra runner who screams motivation for breakfast. Well, his book, Can't Hurt Me, which sold millions of copies, was ghostwritten. So if even Goggins had helped writing his story, imagine how many regular people are just waiting to hand you their ideas and a fat paycheck to turn it into magic. Don't do the whole, I'll write it first, pay me later thing. Lock in your payments before you start typing. Go where the talkers are. Clubhouse rooms, X spaces, speaker panels, online summits. People who speak a lot usually want to turn their speeches into books. Don't try to write for everyone. Focus. You'll write better, faster, and charge more. Number 4, gamified learning platform. Think about Duolingo for a second. That's the power of gamification. It turns, I have to learn this, into, wait, just one more level. And here's the crazy part. Retention jumps by 60% when learning feels like a game. That's not a maybe, that's real. Right now, industries like schools, car dealerships, and even insurance firms are ditching boring PowerPoints and jumping on this wave. People actually remember stuff when learning feels like Candy Crush with a purpose. You don't need to hire a lot and sink months into coding. Start with an MVP, a prototype, a mock-up, or even just a fancy PowerPoint. Get pre-orders, get commitments, and make sure people want it first. Don't aim small. Schools, companies, dealerships, they're your gold mine. They've got teams to train and budgets to burn. One deal can easily mean thousands in revenue. People love to see things in action. Host live sessions, share sneak peeks, or do walkthroughs on YouTube or LinkedIn. Make it fun and clickable. Number 3, virtual reality training agency. If you're still thinking virtual reality is just for video games and nerds with headsets, you're missing the real money. Virtual reality is officially a power tool for high-stakes training. This is so useful that even surgeons are practicing on virtual bodies before touching a real one. The US Air Force now trains 15% of its cadets using VR because it's safer, cheaper, repeatable, and weirdly fun. It's training that actually sticks. They're not selling to individuals here. Think hospitals, schools, construction companies, airlines. Don't just hand over the headset and disappear. Offer updates, new modules, troubleshooting, and custom content. This is your monthly money machine. Headsets can be expensive up front, so bundle them into your offer. Don't pay $3,000 today, just $299 a month all in. You're helping teams level up smarter, faster, and cooler. The VR wave is here. All you gotta do is write it and maybe cash some fat enterprise checks while you're at it. Number 2, AI automation agency. Every business wants to use AI, but most have no clue where to even start. They've heard of ChatGPT. They've definitely seen some 10x your productivity reels on Instagram. But when it comes to actually using AI in their business, they're stuck, and that's your golden opportunity. Right now, freelancers are pulling in $10,000+ a month just by helping local stores and small businesses automate their lead flow using Zapier and ChatGPT. Forget the fluff. Help them book more calls, follow up with leads, handle customer support, or send auto proposals. Things that actually make money. Can't do web development? Partner up. If you don't know how to design, find someone. You become the go-to connector while scaling your offers without doing everything yourself. Sam Altman once said, "The one who builds tools for others will rule the future." Number 1, AI-first SaaS businesses. The boring industries are where the real money's hiding. Think lawyers, accountants, real estate agents. Yeah, not exactly thrilling, but they pay big bucks to solve their headaches. Take CoCounsel, for example. It's an AI software for lawyers. It's already being used in over 1,000 law firms. Nobody wants to manually sift through a mountain of paperwork when a bot can do it 10x faster. The first step is to pick a boring but huge industry. Before you spend a cent building anything, create a demo or pitch deck. Get people hyped. No need to make a mega app. Start small. A prospecting agent that finds leads, a scheduling agent that books meetings, and a purchase agent that handles orders. Each one solves a tiny task and saves someone hours every week. But what do you think? Which of these high-income business ideas are you most excited to pursue in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. If you're ready to take the leap and start your own high-income business, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. And hey, before diving in, check out the top 7 businesses with the highest failure rates so you don't fall into a trap.